day everyone, and Merry Christmas to everyone watching this video. I just want to say that as we know, Christmas is a day where our whole family comes together and we buy, we do, we love and just um have fun, right? But I don't want us to forget the root of Christmas, where it all comes from. And as we know it, as a Christian, it obviously comes from Jesus. We celebrate Christmas as the birth of Jesus. And I would say that that day is the birth of freedom. That's what I would call Jesus, the birth of freedom. And we all know we were enslaved by sin. Right? Now sin could be anything. Sin could sin is not hard up to one thing, but sin can add up to a lot of things actually. It can add up to ourselves, our past, our mistakes, our anger, our resentment, our fears, our hurt, our pain, all these things. These are things that can enslave us. But the day Jesus was born, there was salvation, there was redemption, and there was freedom. So when we celebrate Christmas, we celebrate the beginning of freedom. We celebrate the birth of freedom. So we don't just celebrate because oh yeah, Christmas, but we do because we are acknowledging that it wasn't for the birth of Jesus. It wasn't for him coming to this world. We wouldn't be free. I wouldn't be free. And we would still be enslaved by our hatred, our past, our envy, and everything else that holds us in the same position that we have been for many years to come. I just want to say that you guys have a perfect Christmas and God bless you, keep you and spare you guys for many more